and welcome back at Trancetandance. In these moves on music, the dancer waves a veil as a symbol of the chakra she is exploring, with the help of the melody and the beats. When she lays down the veil, it means she is ready to explore the next chakra up. In the beginning, she invites Mama Earth energy to flow up and to assist her with a different hand symbol for each chakra. She then gives energy back to Earth through her dancing feet. Then she goes through each mood, color, part of the body, all the way up. In the end, she symbolizes being in Sahasrara, united with the seventh heaven, the crown or 1,000-petal lotus. If you want to organize a chakra dance workshop in your part of the world, let us know on Facebook. For now, you can start doing this practice by taking the chakra yoga classes available on this channel. And you can also explore a bridge between chakra practice and a couple of African dances in our What is Kizomba vlog. Happy discovery to you!
If you've had a good time, please show your appreciation with a like, a comment to tell us how our channel helps you, and share with your friends. Explore the playlists and sections for lots more wellness gems. There are also interesting links in the description. Thank you for being with us.